So here's all the connector placements for the 850. As you can see. Alright, so working on the 850, you get to the point where, okay, you got the airbag out, the radio's popped out, the timing controls popped out, you took off the dash pad, took out the cluster and all the switches, and you're wondering what to do next. Well, I'm going to remove the rest of the dash using a pair of pliers, or snips, and my bare hands. So let us begin. There ain't much really holding this in here. Let's see. Oh, forgot my light switch. I need that. There's part of it. Some airbag module here. Don't need this. Don't need this. I think I do need to unscrew that, but for now. Won't need this. Put that right over there. But I will need the harness. All right. I've ripped this out, but there's screws there. This will come easy. Alright, now this green wire goes to this box, this goes to my speaker right here, and then this one goes to one of the lights on the floor. And that is all over here somewhere. Thankfully most of this wiring is going to be staying behind. Of course, don't forget to unclip these wires right here. There we go. You're free. And the ones over there. Okay, maybe I did forget one or two screws. Like there was one hiding here, one on the other side over there, and then in the cubby, take those two out, and then there's two screws right under here. Once you get all that stuff out. But we're making some serious progress. There isn't really much holding this thing in anymore. Won't need this zip tie here. Let's see what unravels when we take this out. Looks like we just got that. Oh, there's more. All right, there's that. It looks like the headline harness. And the other harness is related to it. They're clipped in there. Cool. This one is all the ones going to the light in that weird box that run across back there. I'm going to pull these up and out. Alright. Yep, I'd say this is pretty well on its way to being out of here. So, more fun. That, oop, we did forget one. We won't be needing it though. Right, that's there. Won't be needing that. Rip this part out of here. Yeah, there's a bit attached to it though. Oh well. Already getting hung up on. Yeah, oh well. Let's see. This. Don't need that. Just break it off in chunks, I guess. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need any of that. Technically, I could just lift the whole thing out, I guess. Alright. We got one final zip tie right back there. So, I'll be grabbing that one, and then we'll see where it is. Never mind, there are two zip ties there. There's one back there as well. Then I ripped off the bottom piece here, and it looks like it's about to come out. Sort of. Before I remove the dash, there are two connections I almost forgot about. They both go back there, and that kind of stays with the harness. So let me just disconnect them. There's a sneaking connection under here too to this sensor. Make sure to get that out before I break it. I think I did find the final zip tie. Which is right down in there. Hard to see, but it holds the climate control wires in. Alright, I just fed the wires through. Down here, it looks like I got everything. So, moment of truth. I got it. Got the whole dashboard. There it is. There's the other part of it. So, the deed is done. Let's remove the dashboard. I just had a couple screws. There's the original mounts. As you see, they didn't do anything. Oh well. So, that's the end of it.